Hello friends and welcome to Government Exam Web. Today's video is on Jainism. Jainism is properly the name of one of the religious traditions that have their origin in the Indian subcontinent. According to its own traditions, the teachings of Jainism are eternal and hence have no founder. However, the Jainism of this age can be traced back to Mahavir, a teacher of the 6th century BC. Mahavir was a contemporary of the Buddha. Like those of the Buddha, Mahavir's doctrines were formulated as a reaction to the rejection of Brahmanism, then taking shape. Brahmanism is known as a religion based on the Hindu scriptures, the Vedas and Upanishads. The word Jainism is derived from the word Jain, which means conqueror, one who has conquered his passions and desires. The Jainas believe in 24 Tirthankaras or founders of the faith, through whom their faith has come down from famous antiquity. The first Tirthankara was Rishabdev and the last was Mahavir. Modern Jainism is regarded as a teaching of Mahavir, for he gave new orientation to the Jaina philosophy. Knowledge is divided into two categories, immediate and mediate. Immediate is known as aparoksh and mediate knowledge is known as paroksh. Avadhi, Manaparyay and Keval or Avadhi Gyan, Manaparyay Gyan or Keval Gyan is categorized under immediate knowledge. These are extraordinary or extrasensory perceptions. Mati and Shruti is mediate knowledge. Perceptual knowledge is included under Mati. Perceptual knowledge is regarded as mediate because it presupposes the activity of thought. Mati includes both perceptual and inferential knowledge. The instruments of Mati and Shruti are perception, inference and authority. Immediate knowledge. Avadhi is direct knowledge of things even at distance of space or time. It is called Avadhi or limited because it functions within a particular area and up to a particular time. Manaparyay is direct knowledge of the thoughts of others. Keval is unlimited and absolute knowledge. It can be acquired only by liberated souls. The Jaina philosophy characterizes three kinds of wrong knowledge apart from the 5 kinds of right knowledge that we have discussed. These are samasya or doubt, biparyay or mistake and andhyavyasaya or wrong knowledge through indifference. Praman and Nyay. Jainism divides knowledge into two categories, namely Praman and Nyay. These two categories are division of knowledge apart from immediate and mediate. So Praman means knowledge of a thing as it is and Nyay refers to the knowledge of a thing in relation. Nyay is of 7 types, out of which the first 4 is named as Artha Nyay in Jaina philosophy. Artha Nyay relates to objects and their meanings. Last 3 Nyaya are called Shabda Nyay, for they relate to words. When Nyaya is taken as absolute, it becomes a fallacy according to Jaina philosophy. This fallacy is called Nyayabhas. The first 4 Nyayas are Nagam Nyay, Sangrah Nyay, Vyavahara Nyay and Rajasutra Nyay. These are called Artha Nyay. They are related to objects and meanings. The last 3 Nyayas, Shabda Nyay, Sambhiruddha Nyay and Evam Bhut Nyay. These 3 Nyayas are called Shabda Nyay. They are related to words. The theory of Anikantavad is manyness of reality. The Jaina philosophy advocates relativistic pluralism. Matter or Pudgal and spirit or Jeev are regarded as separate and independent realities. Syadvad is the doctrine that states it is not possible for us to know all the qualities of a thing. Anikantavad is the metaphysical side of the Jaina philosophy, while Syadvad is the logical and epistemological side of the same. Jainism contends that there are substances as independent characters. There are innumerable qualities in a substance, out of which some are permanent and essential, while there are characters in a substance that are changing and accidental. The permanent and essential quality of a substance is categorized as gun, while accidental qualities are known as paryaya. Reality is a unity and difference, or difference and unity. When reality is viewed from a point of substance, it is one and permanent and real. And when viewed from the point of view of modes, it is many and momentary and unreal. Jainism points out that looking at a partial view as whole truth is to commit the fallacy of Ekantavad. And taking into account all these partial truths is called Anekantavad. Syadvad is also called Saptabhangi Nyay. It is a theory of relativity of knowledge, which means dialectic of 7 steps, or the theory of sevenfold judgment. The 7 steps in this process can be listed as follows. Syadasti, that is relatively a thing is real. Syanasti, it is relatively a thing is unreal. Syadasti Nasti, relatively a thing is indescribable. Syadvaktivam, relatively a thing is real and it is indescribable. So friends, this was the first part of the video. The second part of Jain philosophy will be uploaded soon. So stay tuned for part 2. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel Government Exam Web for more videos on philosophy.